bumper dirty. I'll wash it, I promise, but how about them S550 seats? Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be talking, should you clean your AC evaporator that is located under the dash? I think I should clean mine because recently did a Freon on it, and it has a new AC compressor as well. However, it blows cold, but it doesn't blow as cold as the GT outside. So when I did a swap, I changed everything literally from the Mach 1 to this car, but I never changed anything under the dashboard because this unit that was inside the Mach was cracked because the firewall was smashed and a few brackets were broken, and I think I might have broken the drain, which is located on the back here. That drains under your hood for any moisture that is on a AC evap. Now this is the unit that it's located underneath the dash of every single new edge, and basically it's huge. But if you come over here on the car, you'll see it down here, that how it's kind of standing. As you can see right there, there's the fan, there's the AC evap, and the drains right into the engine bay. So now let me explain a few things what I'm going to be doing to mine. I'm going to be changing the motor. This motor only has 60,000 miles. Mine one inside has about 110,000 miles on the car, and mine is kind of making noise. However, it's making noise because it was sitting under the tree a lot, so a lot of leaves went through here, probably got inside a fan, which is located right here. So this is what's located underneath your cowl, and it's going to be on this side over here, which is kind of like, when you think about it, it can get in there, but once the leaves get in there, they'll make their way in there. And I'll explain you how this thing functions. So you have your fan, which is down here, easy accessible underneath the dash. So let me flip it upside down or on the side. As you can see, that's where the fan is. This is sticking inside your engine bay. This is where the drain is, and everything else is operated by the vacuum. So your main vacuum comes from the engine through here, goes to your controller. So basically whatever you select on your controller activates these accumulators and then opens and / closes the area. So once you put an AC on the max, it closes this area, pulls the AC from inside your car versus pulling it from underneath the dash, underneath the cowl. But so today I'm gonna be inspecting my unit by removing the motor, but I'm gonna show you a few things here before I go underneath the dash because it's kind of hard to see. So there's like 5 screws here that I removed, and that is where your heater core sits. So these things are easy to exchange or change out if your heater core starts leaking, and you just have to remove the dash and you can easily access it. However, your evap is kind of like tangled in here. No matter what, I think you probably be having to split the whole unit. Almost better to just get the whole unit if your AC evap goes out. So let me open this and I'll show you what we can see underneath the dash. So this is on the bottom. You literally have 3/8 mils. Just remove them and the motor comes out. So the cover comes off with those 3 screws and the motor slides out. And this one is dirty. You could wash that, but that doesn't really matter. But I already had this off, so there was a bunch of leaves in here that I kind of cleaned off here before, and there you can see where the AC evap unit is located. Not much access room, so it'd be kind of hard to see underneath the car, but once I open, I will be able to slide the vacuum in there and kind of clean up if there's any leaves or anything like that. You can even probably wash it out because the drain drains into the engine. So I'll do that on mine, and I'm going to show you what's in there, or if there's anything in there, or is it worth even opening and inspecting a unit like this. Yep. Alright, I have my phone in there to use as a light, so let me just put the camera. I don't know what I'm looking at either, but hopefully you guys get to see first, but then I'm gonna check it out. Alright, definitely seeing what you guys seeing, but here is a better look. Oh yeah, I can see it now. It's a lot of leaves. If you look from down here, all this is full of leaves. Alright, and that's what actually was causing it to smell inside the car too. So alright, I'm gonna take it out and show you the results. Alright, so let's go in, let's see how much, if we can see anything. But I cleaned it and I used a vacuum and I used the air compressor, and I'm gonna show you how much actually I pulled out. So let me empty this and we'll see. Alright, this is the vacuum. This is what I vacuumed from inside of the evaporator. So that's pretty much what was in there, and that's what was causing the airflow restriction, as well as being inside the fan. So the fan wasn't pushing as hard as usually this ACs can push. So should you do yours? You should. It's fun. Just open like 3 10mm screws on the bottom and see what's in there. Just use a vacuum it out, and you're gonna be a happy camper that you did, because you're gonna have a better AC. So I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Peace. Oh, big difference. Big difference. Oh yeah, and it blows cold too.